9 cabinet stain colors and how to coordinate them. This classic chestnut wood stain from Michelle Lisak Interior Design really highlights how beautiful natural wood really can be. The eye-catching wood grain here really shines through and adds a lot of texture to the bathroom. This cabinet stain idea from the dotted bow is a wonderful DIY if you want to lighten up your existing dark brown wood cabinetry. Here, the original varnish was stripped off to create a rustic look, and a clear stain was used to seal it. We recommend this look on smaller projects, like this bathroom vanity, instead of a larger one like a kitchen, but it's a wonderful way to revamp a tired vanity. If you love neutral cabinets but don't want to go for the painted look, this medium gray strain from Designers Builders Inc. is a great choice. It's perfect for modern farmhouse kitchens and works well with lighter countertops. You will want to avoid darker accents with this color to keep the space from feeling too dark. This oversized kitchen from Indiana Kitchen Company not only features beautiful white painted kitchen cabinets, but the island sports a light gray stain that helps to give the space a little more depth and create a more rustic feel. Pairing a stain with a painted cabinet is a wonderful way to mix a modern look and feel into the more traditional style of using a wood stain. Can't decide between paint and stain for your cabinets? We love this look from Town & Country Kitchen and Bath that features wonderful white painted cabinetry with a custom blue stain on the island. This combination adds a pop of color without clashing or feeling too bold. The blue stain is a great choice for someone who wants a bit of color but still wants a neutral look. The minimalist Scandinavian is hugely popular, and a cabinet stain is a great way to get it in your own home. This lovely kitchen from Eye for Pretty features a blonde stain that gives off the illusion of unfinished wood in the best way. It's perfect for small or large spaces and a great alternative to a white kitchen. A dark wood cabinet is traditional and classic, and though white kitchens and bathrooms have become more and more popular, there's still a place for a deep brown stained cabinet. This bathroom vanity from Normandy Remodeling features a mahogany stain that gives it a rich, warm appearance. If you love a more natural look, check out this bathroom vanity from our Hampton house. This medium brown stain is light enough to show off the unique grain in the wood, giving it a textured look. This rich gray stain from Indiana Kitchen Company is a nice option between a darker brown and a gray. The depth of the color gives it a richness that adds warmth to the space. We love this stain paired with black accents or lighter ones like light gray or beige. Here, both black and white work well with the deep gray and create a nice contrast. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.